Good morning, students. Today we are going to
In this, we will
start
study radial flow
hydraulic
reaction turbine
turbine.
part 4. What are the radial flow reaction turbine? Radial flow reaction turbine are those turbines in which the water flows in radial direction. The water may flow radially from outward to inward or from inward to outwards. If the water flow from outward to inward through the runner, the turbine is known as inward radial flow turbine. And if the water flows from inward to outwards, the turbine is known as outward radial flow turbine. Reaction turbine means that the water at the inlet of the turbine possesses kinetic energy as well as pressure energy. But in case of impulse turbine, at the inlet of the turbine only kinetic energy exists. As the water flows through the runner, a part of pressure energy goes on changing into kinetic energy. Thus, the water through the runner is under pressure. The runner is completely enclosed in an airtight casing and the thrust is runner is always full of water. Main parts of the reaction flow radial flow reaction turbine. First casing, second guide mechanism, third runner, and fourth one is draft tube. Casing. In case of reaction turbines, casing and runner are always full of water. This situation is not valid for impulse turbines. The water from the penstocks enter the casing, which is of spiral shape, in which area of cross section of the casing goes on decreasing gradually. The casing completely surrounds the runner of the turbine. The casing is shown in figure, which we'll discuss later, is made of spiral shape so that the water may enter the runner at constant velocity throughout the circumference of the runner. The casing is made of concrete, cast steel or plate steel. Guide mechanism. It consists of a stationary circular wheel all around the runner of the turbine. The stationary guide vanes are fixed on the guide mechanism. The guide vanes allow the water to strike the vanes fixed on the runner without shock at inlet. So there will be minimum losses. Also, by a suitable arrangement, the width between the two adjacent vanes of guide mechanism can be altered so that the amount of water striking the number runner can be varied. This is the main parts of the radial reaction turbine, in which this is the shaft. This is the shaft. This is runner having vanes, and this one is the guide wheels. This is the spiral casing. Water comes from penstock. Runner is a circular wheel on which a series of radial curved vanes are fixed. The surface of the vanes are made very smooth. The radial curved vanes are so shaped that the water enters and leaves the runner without any shock. The runner are made of cast steel, cast iron, or stainless steel. They are draft to the shaft. The pressure at the exit of the runner of a reaction turbine is generally less than atmospheric pressure. So, the water at exit cannot be directly discharged to the tail race. So, a tube or pipe of gradually increasing area is used for discharging water from the exit of the turbine to the tail race. This tube of increasing area is called draft tube. Thank you.